Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by powering down and unplugging power. Connect an anti-static wrist strap and ground yourself. Once seated, remove the case panel and visually inspect the M.2 slot or SATA connectors for debris or damage. If the drive is external, try a different cable or port. If internal, note the mounting orientation. You do these steps now to isolate simple issues fast and prevent further damage before moving to reseating or BIOS checks. You remove the SSD and clean the slot with compressed air, then reseat the drive, ensuring the screw and standoff secure the M.2 module flush. Once done, boot to BIOS and confirm the controller settings. Enable NVMe or set SATA to OSI so the OS can see the device. Make sure boot order lists the SSD if it hosts the OS. If you use a PCIe adapter, verify lane allocation and relevant BIOS options so the drive gets full bandwidth. You now boot from a live USB or installer to confirm the SSD appears and run smart or vendor diagnostics to check health. This verifies whether hardware or software causes the issue. If the board still misses the drive, reflash or update BIOS because firmware often adds NVMe fixes. Make sure to swap the SSD into another computer or try another port to isolate a bad slot versus a failed drive. If problems persist, contact support with test results for RMA guidance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.